Welcome. This is how I can help you set your own account up. This is account setup for uh, loan company. This is account setup for loan company. So this is how I can set your own up. As you can see, we are working. We are working. So this is all the automation I built from scratch, which I can help you set your own automation too. In other in Spanish and English, both. This is Spanish account and English account. So I will set your own account as Spanish account and also set your account in English in order it to easy for you to do all the transaction inside all the activities inside your account. Different automation. I have different automation, approve processing. As you can see, different automation. Your account create the opportunity and I link the opportunity pipeline, each different pipeline together to let it work perfectly. As you can see, this is account setup for the loan company. Loan company. And import the leaks. So this is how it works perfectly. And we create the campaign for them. The campaign is 70. We have 70 campaign right now. 70 campaign right now. And the campaign is what I created for them from scratch. So if you have interested, let me know. The comments. We have different tag. We have calendar. Let me show calendar. You have different calendar that work for loan company. You can use for your own account, for your own brand. Use the different calendar. We have group calendar, we have normal calendar here. So this is how it works. Now we are going to move to email availability and domain setup, phone number setup, SMS, E2P SMS setup. So this is where we are going to move right now. So this is what I can help you do. If you have interested in this uh snapshots or you have interested, let me set your own up. You can reach out to me. You can reach out to me. Thank you so much. I really appreciate you guys. Thank you.